Welcome back. Now that you have all the elements that you're going to need, you can now sign up for your Amazon Author Central account. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to click the Join Now button if you are not a part of Amazon Author Central. You'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions. You'll click Accept. You'll then be asked if you have any of the books that are available. If you currently don't have books available, you'll then click I am someone else. You'll be asked to confirm your identity. You'll then click Continue. And once you find your book and you confirm your identity, you'll then have access to your author page. And you'll be able to click this link to add in your bio. And you'll be given a minimum, in this case, of 100 characters or 20 words. Now in the second section, you'll be adding in your blog. Now in this case, Amazon Author Central will be asking for your RSS feed, so that what Author Central will be doing is it will be picking up your blog posts as you do them. In the third section, you'll be adding in your events. So for example, we're going to edit this event that's available right now. Now you can put the location where you're going to be doing the recording, and you can specify the individuals that they can attend online. And this is where you'll note that your short URL will come in handy. You'll pick the book that you'll be working with, and then you'll set the date, and you'll then click Save Event. Now in the third section, if you haven't done so already, you'll be able to pick your author page URL. Now depending on when you set up your author page, you will be able to set up your Twitter feed in this area. You'll be able to add in photos from this area, and you'll need to upload them from your hard drive. And as we discussed before, you'll also be able to add videos to your page. And this information will be available to your readers when they go to your author page. And you'll be able to see the typical author page will have blog posts, sometimes videos, and even sometimes social media updates. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.